Hey guys, Norman here, and today in this video I'm going to be giving you a brief understanding of how to make pottery mugs from start to finish. So with that said, here we go. Once the clay is prepared, it is taken over to the potter's wheel where it undergoes a hand throwing process. Once the clay dries a little bit, it becomes leather hard, which just describes the physical state of the clay. It is not too wet or too dry. During this period, you can apply different drawings onto the pieces. Also, handles can be placed on during this state. Once the drawings have been done, the handles are then applied. The mugs are allowed to dry, and then the pottery is bisque fired. And once the pottery is bisqued, it goes through a glazing process. And in this case, I went through a rather complicated process. After the glazing process was complete, the pots were loaded into the kiln and fired to finish them. Just as a side note though, the glazing process that was shown on this video took an estimated time of about 15 hours to complete, not including anything else. Well guys, that does it for this video, and if you liked what you saw, please hit that like button. And if you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And as always, thanks for watching, and take care.